Hi everyone, welcome back. So sorry for being MIA. I have a habit of doing that if you're new here. I didn't have any videos planned ahead of time, and I apologize. So I'm just going to show you what I got in my Ipsy bag in my Boxycharm box. And I picked up a couple of other things. Let's see. This is the bag for the month. It's pretty. And the theme is Hot Glow Summer. That's nice. I got this Skincare Junkie Gentle Jelly Facial Cleanser. It's a deluxe sample. It came in the bag. I got this Morphe Mini Bake and Set. I thought that'll be interesting to try. I haven't tried anything from Morphe in a really long time. I got this Juliet Has a Gun perfume, deluxe sample. I got this, the gel eyeliner, Shades by Shan in green tea. That's interesting. I also got, but I misplaced it, is the What's Up Beauty Flirtique Eye and Cheek Palette. It looks like that. And that's that for the bag. And then for the box, I got the LYS Light Nude Foundation. Hopefully it's going to color match me. It's an L Neutral 6. Looks like that. Let's do a swatch. It's a little bit dark. I think I can get away with it. It's not that off. That looks like that. Then I got the Milk Pore Eclipse Matte Setting Spray. This was an add-on. It looks like that. Sprayer looks like this. It's all right. The sprayer. I chose the Goldie Bright Drops. 5% niacinamide. It's by Drunk Elephant. Looks like that. I have the Farrah Creamy Malay Blush Stick. That's what the packaging looks like. And this is what the blush stick looks like. It's a pretty color. It's a hot pink. I got a perfume, Missy by Rosie Jane. It's Clean Beauty. Oh, the bottle looks like this. I don't have the notes. I apologize. It's vegan and cruelty free. I picked up two Kosas blushes, and this is in the shade Butterflies. If I can get it open. It looks like that. It's a hot pink. And then this shade is in the shade Hype. It's a warm poppy pink. Opening it up takes a long time. Looks like that. And that's the swatch. Then I also picked up the Drunk Elephant De-Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops. They were over 50% off. That's why I picked them up. Looks like that. Then I picked up through Ipsy also 3 blushes by Fenty. I picked up Riri. Hopefully this works for me. It looks like this. If I use a light hand. Yeah, this will work. I also picked up Bubble bubble beans. Looks like that. It looks like that. I have to use a light hand with it. And then the other one I picked up is Choo Choo Turned. I'll show you it, but I'm not going to swatch it because I have a feeling I bought a duplicate. It looks like this. And that's it for my little Ipsy box bag haul. I hope you enjoyed it. And there is a makeup collection video coming up. I just haven't decided on what to do next. I'm overwhelmed because it's so big. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.